Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 2nd, 2018, and I have some of my cold season stuff here. This is my cabbage, and then there's more cabbage out here, and broccoli and cauliflower. And one of the things that we do, we don't use any chemicals on our lawn because when we cut the grass, we bag it and we put it around our vegetables, as well as we put it in our compost piles. So you can see here we left a space in between the stem and the grass clippings. So the grass clippings, what they do is they'll help feed the plant, plus they'll help to keep working the good organic matter and material into the ground. And these were actually just fed today. I fed them with an Epsoma, I'm trying to think what it's called. I believe it's plant tone. I'll have to check. And then my broccoli and cauliflower I fed with the Eco Scraps all-purpose 555 organic plant food. And I'll put links down below for these plant foods. And I mixed them in first, and then I did give them some Sea Magic, and I watered the plant food all in with the Sea Magic. And you can put the Sea Magic on the leaves too. Now if it's a really sunny day, you don't want to do that because you can burn your plant leaves, especially if it's really hot outside. So if it's hot like that and the sun's out, just go ahead and feed just the soil. The roots will take it up. So I just wanted to show you that. And I usually feed my stuff with the Sea Magic every 2 weeks. So you can go 2 to 3. I usually go every 2. And the grass also helps the soil to retain moisture. Now we put this around our potatoes, we put it around our beans, tomato plants, peppers, squash, all that different stuff. Now one thing that you do have to watch out for is sometimes the grass will form like a mat, and when it rains or something, it won't let the water go down through. So you just have to check that and make sure it's not doing that. If it is, just kind of break it up some so that the water can get down through. And wanted to share that with you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.